Hey everyone, welcome back. Before moving on to the more advanced Facebook integration, I would like to do some cleanup and debugging on our app. I'm going to show you what I mean. Start off the Rails server, open up your browser, and go ahead and log in. I'm already logged in. Uh, First of all, this all post link doesn't make a lot of sense. I would like to have, instead of having all the posts, I would have all the users, and then I could select the user, and each user has their respective posts. Also, I would love that when I logged in, it would redirect to my user profile page. And finally, I would like to make this new post form a little bit cleaner. And also, I noticed we have a little bug. So if we log out and we click new posts, we have a no method error because no user is signed in, so he can't associate a user ID to the post. So we're going to also solve that. So let's go ahead and open our text editor. And on our text editor, let's first of all go and clean up that post form. So let's go to the posts folder on the views directory and go to the new view. And let's go ahead and center the form. So let's create a column here. Div class call LG3 and close it up. And let's on the middle I would like the post form. So div class call LG6. And let's close this after the backlink. Actually, let's remove this backlink since we're not going to use the post path. And close the sieve here. And afterwards, we'll create another column just to fill in this row. And finally, close this div and add a row element here after the container. And close it after this one. So let's check it out how it looks like. So if we go ahead on to log in with Facebook first, and let's start a new post. Yeah, it's a little bit more centered, but we should add a bit more styling to make this full width. So go ahead and close this new view, and go ahead on opening the form view, the form partial for the posts. And what we have here, we already have the HTML class form horizontal. This is good. We just need to add the classes to our individual inputs. So let's first do the title one. Input HTML class form control, which is the bootstrap class for forms. And I would like to remove that label, the default label, and add our own one. Label false. And instead of the label, I'll have the placeholder showing off that this should be the title. Let's do exactly the same thing for the content one. And we don't need this user ID input anymore because we know it's saving it. Okay. And finally, let's customize a little bit more the submit button. Let's add a class here called button LG and button primary. So it's a big primary button. And okay, go ahead and save it and see how it looks like. A lot better, but we should add a little bit of spacing between these inputs. And let's make this button a block button so it goes to the full width of the form. Going back to our text editor, we'll add this class button, so it's button block. And let's add a break here. And also one here. Oops, and I forgot. This is not the placeholder for title, this is the placeholder for contents. So actually add your post's content here. A lot better, a lot better. And I would also like to make this title centered. So to do this, we're going to go ahead to our title. It's in the new view, and on our H1 class, let's add a class to say text censor, so it censors the text. Yay, perfect. Moving on. Let's take care of these links. So first of all, let's remove this one and add the user's link. So let's log out, and going back to our text editor, on our layouts folder in our views directory, go ahead and open header, the header partial. So instead of all posts, I would like to put all users, and in our path, let's type users path. And as we're already here in our header page, let's go ahead and solve that new post. So the new post issue. So to do this, just move this list item to that if user signed in block. So it'll only appear if the user is signed in. All good, all good. Let's try it out. Go back to our browser, and yeah, we can see all the users, and we can log in with Facebook. And let's try again, and here we go. Okay, perfect. And finally, I would like to when I log in, I would like to go to my profile when I'm signed in. So let's solve that issue as well. So going to Pages controller, on our home action, let's give it a condition. So if user signed in, and this conditional, let's redirect that user to the user path, and the user path is the current user. Okay, let's go ahead and try it out, and log in with Facebook, and yeah, it redirects to my users, and I can see my posts, and I have the edit and destroy links. Perfect.